Good day everyone, my name is Raif and I'll be discussing the integumentary and endocrine system. So let's start with the integumentary. What is skin? The skin and its structures are also responsible for retaining bodily fluids, removing waste materials, and keeping the body's temperature in check, and all other biological systems such as neurological, cardiovascular, and digestive systems collaborate with the integumentary system to complete all of the tasks necessary to keep the interior body stable. The integumentary system is also known as the skin, as mentioned earlier. However, integumentary is not only composed of the skin, it also is composed of the hair and nails. It protects deeper organs from mechanical, chemical, and bacterial injury and drying out. It is also the organ that is responsible for regulating the body temperature, skin which serves as a barrier between your bones, organs, and muscles and protects everything inside you. It is one of the many things we take for granted about our bodies, and the structure of the integumentary system is quite impressive. Integumentary system has been always neglected as it has been simple to study, but when you do understand it, it is one of the most important body system because without it, we are exposed to everything such as diseases. For example, your eyelashes helps you not get dusts in your eyes, and that's integumentary system. And an additional information, the skin is the body's biggest and heaviest organ. It must cover the full exterior of the body from the top of a person's head to end of their toes in order to operate as a protective barrier. The skin is around 2 2 millimeter thick and weighs nearly 6 pounds in total. So you can search that up in www.verywellhealth.com. And hair. So hair is mostly composed of a fibrous protein with trace trace amounts of lipids, which is the fats, and water. And hair grows from follicles, which are basic organs composed of epithelial epithelial cells. And nails is just like other body parts. Nails consist of several segments, including the nail plate. The nail plate is the part of the nail that is visible. And second one is the nail bed. Nail bed is the skin that lies beneath the nail plate. And third one is the cuticle. The cuticle is the thin line of tissue that is located at the base of the nail and overlaps the nail plate. Next one is the nail folds. The nail folds is the folds of the skin located on the sides of the nail plate. Next one is the lunula. The lunula is the white colored half moon shaped area located at the base of the nail plate. Next one is the matrix. The matrix is the part of the nail that is not visible, located underneath the cuticle. This is the area responsible for the growth of the fingernail. The function of the nail is to protect the fingers and toes from injury or trauma, and assists with the sense of touch. So Function of the integumentary system. So overall, the integumentary system protects the body by acting as a barrier to infection and insulating the body from temperature fluctuations and the negative effects of potentially dangerous chemicals such as UV lights. And the integumentary system has several specialized tasks in its involvement in helping to protect and control the body's internal activities. And here are some of the ways that the integumentary system skins, nails, hair, glands, and nerves work. So it helps to protect the body's tissues and organs, and it protects against infections and foreign invaders. It also keeps the body from becoming dehydrated, also helps to maintain a stable body temperature, and it also transports and gets rid of waste materials. It also performs a receptor job for pressure, pain, heat, cold, or touch. It stores fat for a source of energy, and it protects the body from trauma and serves as a shock absorber due, due to the fatty layer of the integumentary system. And it also protects the skin from damage caused by UV light from the sun or other sources. And let's go on with the endocrine system. So the endocrine system. Your endocrine system is composed of many organs known as glands. Hormones are created and secreted by these glands, which are situated throughout your body. Hormones are substances that communicate with your organ, skins, muscles, and other tissues to coordinate various tasks in your body. So these signals instruct your body to what to do and when to do it. So what is the endocrine system and how does it function? So the level of hormones in your blood is constantly monitored by your endocrine system, and hormones send message by binding to the cells they target and relaying the message. When when your hormone when your hormone levels rise, the pituitary gland signals other glands to stop manufacturing and releasing hormones. So when hormone levels fall below a specific threshold, the pituitary gland can tell other glands to make and release more. This mechanism, known as homeostasis, functions similarly to home's thermostat. Hormones have an impact on practically every bodily activity, including metabolism. Metabolism is the way you break down food and get energy from nutrients. Next is the growth and development, emotions and mood, fertility and sexual function, your sleep, and your blood pressure. So you can search all that in the www.myclevelandnick.org. So the endocrine system is made up of organs called glands. Glands produce and release different hormones that target specific things in your body. You have glands all over your body, including in your neck, brain, and reproductive organs. Some glands are tiny, about the size of a grain of rice or a pea. The largest gland is the pancreas, which is about 6 inches long. And the main glands that produce hormones include hypothalamus, This gland is located in your brain and controls your endocrine system. It uses information from your nervous system to determine when to tell other glands, including the pituitary glands, to produce hormones. The hypothalamus controls many processes in your body, including your mood, hunger, and thirst, sleep patterns, and sexual function. So, pituitary. Pituitary, this little gland is only about the size of a pea, but it has a big job. It makes hormones that control several other glands such as thyroid gland, adrenal glands, ovaries, and testicles. The pituitary gland is in charge of many different functions, including how your body grows. It is located at the base of your brain. And thyroid is a butterfly shaped gland in the butterfly shaped gland, and it's responsible for your metabolism, how your body uses energy. And then next one is the parathyroid. These four tiny glands are no larger than a grain of rice. They control the level of calcium in your body for your heart, kidneys, bones, and nervous system to work. You need the right amount of calcium. And then next one is adrenal. Adrenal is the one on top of each kidney. They control your metabolism, blood pressure, sexual development, and response to stress. Next is the pineal. This gland manages your sleep cycle by releasing melatonin, a hormone that causes you to feel sleepy. Next is the pancreas. Pancreas is a part of your endocrine system, and it plays a significant role in your digestive system too. It makes hormone called insulin that controls the level of sugar in your blood. Next is the ovaries. Ovaries in women, the ovaries release sex hormones called estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Women have two ovaries in their lower abdomen, one on either side, and testes in men. The testes make sperm and release the hormone testosterone. This hormone affects sperm production, muscle strength, and sex drive. So that's all, and thanks for watching.